Hey guys, Randy with Quality Wheelz, Hot Springs, Arkansas. We got a beautiful 2008 Tiffin Allegro Bus. It's the Freightliner chassis. I just want to point out as many things as possible without making a really long video. It has the rear engine, so it's got the side discharge radiator back there, plus it's got outside TV and all the storage that you'd get with an Allegro bus. I've opened about everything you can up in here, so I'm going to start closing things as we go, just so you can see the sheer amount of storage, if I can keep from hitting my head here, that this thing has. I want to make a quick video, but not so fast that I'm wobbling around, making you guys dizzy. Beautiful cockpit, driving area. This has solar, by the way. Also, it has an aqua hot system. Gonna have a boiler just like on a high-end motorhome, just like they should. Really nice interior. This folds out into a bed, so it's got to pull out. And this is a big jackknife, so it actually makes a full-size bed as well. Tons and tons and tons of storage. Tiffin's known for these pull-outs, give you some extra countertop space. Somebody say dishwasher? Yep, that's a dishwasher right there. Convection oven, really nice solid surface counters, really nice sinks, really nice fixtures. These Allegro buses are very coveted just because they go all out on these things. One of the nicest motorhomes they make. Tiffin definitely goes above and beyond on these things. I'll start closing some of this stuff as we go. This does have solar, by the way. That's what this solar charger is right here. So it's got lots of little extras. Still has the factory residential refrigerator. Man, this floor is in impeccable condition. I mean, it's just in really, really good condition, really clean. Somebody spent a lot of time cleaning this floor and keeping it clean. Makes a big difference. Got a pantry right here, tons and tons of drawers here. I know it looks a little odd with everything pulled out, but figured it'd be the fastest, easiest way for you guys to see how much storage this thing has. Nice bathroom area, lots of storage, fantastic fan there and here. Full-size Whirlpool washer and dryer. It's got a total of 3 TVs, I guess, because it's got an outside TV as well. Lots of closet space, lots of drawer space, lots of storage. Cedar line closet here. Tons of storage up here, big king-size bed. Storage just goes on for days. We've got the laundry hamper here and lots more storage for clothes and such as well. But yeah, just a really nice motorhome. We get a lot of these in, but seldom are they this nice in this year model. So somebody's going to get a really nice motorhome here. Hopefully it's you. Give us a call at 501-276-5500. You can actually text me on that line. If you call it, it rings the office. But call or text anytime. Don't hesitate to. And if you guys have any questions, just reach out to us. We'd love to get you guys on the road in style. Come back one more time, all the way back here. Try to get to where you can get the whole effect of how nice and laid out this thing is and how comfortable it is. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.